Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
ते अटल सेतूचेर परत एक एक्सिडेंट जाला हां अरे यू हॅव 3 ब्रिजेस बंद करा मरे तो टेम्पररी यू शट डाउन वन लेन and you divert the traffic on other 2 bridges and get it repaired. How is the Josh been म्हणून तुम्ही तो गडबडीन त्यांना इनॉग्रेट केलो. But today this government is actually not working in the interest of Goa न्ही. लोकांचे लाईफ मरे ते. And at that height you imagine ते मतलब I don't know if you have traveled on that road. थंय येता आसतना from Porvorim to Mershes when you go, there's a big pothole there. I mean, suddenly tu even the brake marlo, and if that balance goes, you can even fall down. No, it's very very risky. So I urge the government. In fact, I tweeted last night, tweeted to the PWD minister that immediately he should shut that one-way road, that is from Porvorim to Mershes, only to protect the safety of all the Goans who are traveling on that road. It's a very serious issue. I don't know why government always waits की कितें तरी मिसहॅप जावं. अरे 4 एक्सिडेंट जाले इन 4 दिसान तेही तुमकां दिसना. सो यू कॅन करेक्ट करेक्ट एक्झॅक्टली थंय जाता. इट्स अ व्हेरी लार्ज पॉटहोल आनी कितें जाता वन्स यू रीच देर यू हार्ड ब्रेक इट. सो फाटल्यान ज्यो गाडी स्पिडीन येता तांकां कळना न्ही. सो दॅट इज तुमी पळयलें जाल्यार लास्ट 2-3 दिसान 2-3 गाडयो एक्सिडेंट जाता. सो आय थिंक प्रोबेबली द PWD मिनिस्टर इज नॉट युजींग दॅट ब्रीज टू गो बॅक होम. म्हाका तो दुसरो ब्रीज घेता. सो ही शूड गो देर and check that bridge first.